I think, yes, that's growing and getting better. There's still a long way to go. Um, there's been a lot of conversation over well, I think I heard the expression data as an asset, maybe a decade ago, and it still seems to be a long way off. But I think that if organizations can get to a point where they genuinely view data as the asset, then that will drive a lot more focus across the business. But generally, I think it's improving. I mean, more and more people understand how to use data, how to get insight out of the information that's available, and therefore the importance of trust in that information. So yeah, I don't think well, I think we are a long way off from it being, where we would want it to be. But I think it's getting better and better all the time, and we're seeing that resulting in a lot more focus on projects that we're involved with now, with clients wanting to get on top of their data quality and improve their data governance, which is being driven in a lot of cases bottom up by people in the workforce saying, we need access to better information, we need to be able to trust it, and that's now driving a lot of the new projects that we're seeing coming through.
Yeah, I saw a stat yesterday at Chief Data Officer Summit, which said 70% of executives, and this was like across 1,000 executives, understand that poor quality data is not letting them do the things that they want. We just have to get them to chuck us some money so we can set up data quality programs.
Well, I was just thinking that one of the things that we've done in numerous organizations is actually help them to understand the impact of data quality by actually looking at the financial impact. So trying to do some financial modeling around what risk they're carrying, because everyone understands you're carrying $10,000 worth of risk or $1 million worth of risk. They find it hard, or lots of non-technical people find it very hard to understand. Well, we have X number of records with these sorts of problems in it, or data typing is misaligned, or a whole range of different things around master data and reference data. It all gets quite hard to conceptualize. But if you say the sum total of those issues is $1 million of risk, and we think by spending 20 grand on the problem, we can alleviate that risk. That is very much a conversation that a business user can engage in. And so that's the way I think to put it in front of managers. I think most frontline business users feel the pain because, they've got to send an email to a customer and they've got 2 different email addresses and they don't know which one's correct, So they're feeling the pain of it. They understand it at that level. It's just really understanding what the major impact to the business is in the long term that is a helpful conversation to have.